guys, welcome again. In this video you will learn how to change a sky. So let's select this one. Looks like difficult how to change the sky. Take a look. You can't remove this blue sky easily. So let's use technical AI of the Photoshop. You must go to properties. First, unlock the layer of the background. Go to window, select find layers. Click on lock. And now you can click remove background directly. Let's see the result. Here is the result. So let's change directly by going to image adjustment, select sky replacement. Let's find where is sky replacement. So there is no sky replacement. So I'll leave it. Right click, go to blending option. So select blending option, blend the blue. Select the current layer, slowly clear the blue color of the sky. So after this, import or open the sky you want to apply. So I have multi different sky images. Let's select this one and drag and drop here. Go to layer, move it down. Now you can see the sky right there. Click on apply, lock this layer and select another one, move it down. Not bad, looks great. So let's go to another sample, close all, go to this one. So this photo will allow you to select in one click the sky. Where is select sky and wait for result. So if you need to apply directly, let's go to first open your favorite sky image and select from here this part of the sky, copy, go to here, paste into, and hold Alt key on keyboard, change the size, click apply. So if you need to control the brightness contrast, select the sky layer, go to adjustment, select the labels, click here. Now control the brightness of the sky like this. So my target is sky. Turn on this option, just control the sky brightness like this. Click, close. So, and now you can save this image with this sky by going to file, save a copy. Okay, let's go to another sample, close this image, close this one, select this one. So how to change sky of this image? First, you must go to select, take a look, select subject, Select subject. And now go to layer by going to window. Click here and go to layer menu, select layer cut and select another layer, gradient tool, draw sky like this. Double click here, change to blue color, move down, double click, click OK. Let's see. Right click, close this brush effects. I have here cloud brushes. So close. There is the simple gradient sky. So you can save this image too by going to File, select Save a Copy. This was about sky replacement in Adobe Photoshop 2025. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Good luck.